Installing fire suppression systems without the right permits can totally mess up your project and even get you fined. So knowing exactly what fire safety approval permits you need is clutch. Alright, so first off, you gotta check with your local building department because permits can change depending on where you live, you know? Usually, you'll need a fire safety approval permit that shows your system meets the local fire codes. Before installing anything, get a detailed plan of your fire suppression system ready and submit it for approval. This helps avoid surprises later. Make sure your contractor is licensed and knows the code requirements. They should handle most of the paperwork. Also, expect to schedule inspections both before and after installation to get the green light from fire marshals. Keep in mind, some places require a separate permit if your system uses chemicals or special gases. Don't forget to check if your insurance company has specific rules about fire suppression systems in your area. Lastly, keep all permits and approval documents handy. They might be needed for future inspections or resale. One of the biggest mess-ups is not getting the right fire safety approval permit before starting, which can lead to work stoppage or fines. To fix this by always double-checking local requirements first. Another common issue is skipping inspections or rushing through them. That's a no-go since inspectors ensure everything is up to code. Schedule them early and be ready to make adjustments. Lastly, people often hire contractors who aren't licensed or familiar with local fire codes, leading to failed approvals. So always vet contractors carefully and ask for proof of licensing and experience. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know all about fire safety approval permits and other important stuff. For contractors, it's a great way to get more work by connecting with people who actually need their skills.